Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve talkback problem on Lava phone. Friends, you have talkback problem on your Lava phone. So friends, how to solve talkback problem on Lava phone device? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video. Friends, I am not operating my Lava phone device. Friends, you can see. So how can I solve this problem? Friends, same problem you have on your Lava phone device. So how to solve this problem today friends I will show you. I will tell you one by one and then step by step how to solve talkback problem. Friends, first of all you have lock screen. So I swipe with the two finger, and friends you can unlock your Lava phone. And once you have any pattern and password, so I swipe and just press your pattern, means draw your pattern, enter your password. So when scroll it, and friends click on phone setting, one tap here, and friends continue to tap because by one tap we cannot on phone setting. So we double tap here. After on phone setting friends, click on any setting as example Bluetooth, and scroll two finger. Friends, click on intelligent assistant setting, one tap here, double tap here. Friends, smart answer this setting, three finger screenshot, click here and scroll it. Lift to wake setting a single hand mode. Last option friends, click on accessibility setting and double tap here. Friends, now you will find here talkback, one tap here, double tap here. Friends, use talkback, double tap, stop button, and guys double tap here, and guys on your Lava phone guys your talkback problem will solve. And friends, now you can use your Lava phone without any talkback problem. So like that friends, we can solve talkback problem on Lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt friends related to your talkback setting or your accessibility setting? Friends, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.